already tell, this video has something to do with pink. I'm all decked out in pink. Now that I think about it, we should film in front of my pink couch. Okay, that's more like it. Okay, I think this is much better. Sorry if you don't like pink, this is definitely not the video for you. Today is gonna be a challenge, that's for sure. I'm only gonna be eating pink food for a day, and that includes like drinking water and stuff. Like, it has to be pink no matter what. I'm also not gonna be using food dye for this because I feel like that's kind of cheating, so we're not gonna do that. Hopefully we can find some pink food at the grocery store, or we're out of luck. Also, I wanna give credit to whoever made this video. I think it was Saffron or Saffron, I don't know how to pronounce it, I'm so sorry. Shout out to whoever made this video. It is such a good idea, and I'm excited to do it because pink is my favorite color, if you haven't noticed. Yeah. And if there's any other colors you guys want me to do for this video, like black, white, green, blue, just comment below your favorite color. Not really sure what I would eat for black. That sounds really hard. All I can think of is like burnt pizza. Am I gonna pee or poop like pink? That'd be kind of sick. Be sure to subscribe down below and turn on my post notifications to be notified when I upload. It's just that little bell thing, so definitely click it. Enough of me talking, let's do this. We are at the grocery store because we obviously need some pink foods because I don't really have any. So this will be a mission. I'm not really sure what we're gonna get, but hopefully we'll find some food because I'm hungry. This is definitely harder than I thought. I just found so much pink stuff. Okay, they have red, but they don't have pink. So I was kind of worried water-wise because we can only drink pink water, and I found some. Tell me this isn't the most pink food you've seen in a cart. I'm like walking around wondering if anyone's noticing. Wow, we got all of our groceries. I think to start off, we should go to Starbucks. We're gonna have a little James Charles moment and get a pinkity drinkity. I think that's what it's called. And if they have any pink cake pops, we'll get one of those. Can I get the pink drink? Hi, thank you. Okay, we got our first meal of the day. Oh my, this is the worst parking job. Wow, I'm so sorry. So we got our pink drink. I forgot if I like this or not. I haven't had this in so long. It's actually so good. Then we got our pink birthday cake pop. Woo! I used to get these like every day. Wow. Look at that focus. You can see my spit on it. So now let's go home and actually eat breakfast. Okay, breakfast time. I'm kind of debating on what I should eat for breakfast. There's like two options and I'm so indecisive. I don't know if this would work, but I was planning on making like strawberry pancakes out of this cake mix, or just having these strawberry crispies with protein milk. I was kind of worried because all of the stuff that I got is like super unhealthy. So I think I might go with this. We'll definitely make this later to see if it works. We can make super cute like Pinteresty pink pancakes. That sounded so basic. Keep watching if you want to see if I make really pretty pink pancakes. Probably not, because I'll probably fail. Wow, I really need to do my dishes. You have to go with the pink bowl. I feel like I'm obligated to film this in front of my pink couch because like, ow, my nail. You guys should keep track how many times I say pink because I'm already over it. We got our cereal and milk, so let's do that. Let's get like an up close shot, you feel? Tell me why this looks like crumbled up hot Cheetos. What the heck? It has 32 grams of sugar. Let's not talk about it. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, let's taste it. Wow, this combo low-key so good. Who would have known? Yup. Like, what am I doing? I just realized something. This has dairy and this has dairy in it. Dairy and acne do not mix well, and that's literally all I'm gonna be eating today. I can't wait to break out. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna finish my hot Cheetos and I will see you guys at snack time. Woo! I am feeling these two. So healthy, I know. Are you guys dirty? Let me clean you. First thing I'm gonna have are these Pocky Pokey, I don't know, strawberry cream covered biscuit sticks, which I've had before and they are so good. Let's do a little ASMR. Okay, that went really well. Anyways, now that we have broken Pokies, it's okay. Let's do ASMR. These are really breakable. I need some water. Sparkling ice kiwi strawberry. Nice. Hi, Toby. Okay, this is 10 out of 10. I never drink any like carbonated stuff, so when I do, I burp so much. Now we're on to pink goldfish. Let me carefully open this. It kind of has like a purple tint to it. First try. Ow, my tooth. Ow. I can feel a burp coming. Say hi. Hi. Oh, okay, I'm over it. It is a little bit later and I'm feeling lunch right now. I think we should have curry wrap and then the strawberry banana smoothie. I feel like we should go outside because it's really pretty. Do you guys hear that noise? Whenever someone enters the house, that noise always goes off. I actually have never tried curry before. The stuff in it isn't pink, but the main part of the food is pink, so don't come for me. I don't really like it. Okay. Don't think I'm gonna eat this. I'm not really a fan. Also, I don't want to offend anyone. I'll probably give this to my mom or dad. We got the strawberry banana smoothie, so I will drink all of this. You probably don't want to watch me drink this, so I will be back with more food a little bit later. Oh my gosh. The amount of sugar that I've had today, like, I think I'm gonna make the strawberry cake batter pancakes. I actually found a recipe online, so that's what they end up looking like. It looks so bomb, so let's see if we can make them. Okay, I have all the ingredients, thank goodness. I'll tell you guys the ingredients while I'm making it, so if you guys wanna make this, you can. You can't see me, I'll stand like this. We have the cake mix, half a cup of all-purpose flour. It says 1 teaspoon of baking powder, but I only have baking soda. We're just gonna skip that, I don't even know. Off to a great start. 3 eggs. 1, 2, 3. When you guys crack, ugh, my voice is cracking. Speaking of that. When you guys crack an egg, do you guys put it back in the carton or do you guys throw it away? I'm curious. I personally throw it away, but I wanna know. I really jinxed it when I said I had everything, but it said half a cup of canola oil, but I only have vegetable oil. I think it'll work. Yum. Last ingredient is 2 cups of milk. I'm just using almond milk. Now we're gonna mix it up. I have this huge fork. Do you see how big this is? So I just mixed it all up and doesn't it look, okay, I'm gonna try not to spill it, but doesn't that look so pretty? I feel like it's gonna work. Okay, let's make these. Oh no, I'm nervous. Oh no, it's getting brown. Oh. Wow. Oh, okay, I guess let's make smaller ones maybe. We got more cooking right now. These pancakes are so hard to flip. They smell good. Okay, I'm about to struggle. There we go. This looks like a monster. I'm gonna try one without the syrup. Oh my gosh, these are so good. We have our pink pancakes. You know, they're slightly brown, but it's okay. Okay. Since we can't use regular like maple syrup, we're gonna be using Hershey syrup and strawberry because it's pink. Well, it looks red, but so, oh yeah, okay. Oh my gosh. Oh, we love sugar. I also grabbed the ham because I feel like I need some type of nutrients, if that makes sense, or like healthy-ish foods. This is the weirdest combo. Oh. Just sprayed me with like ham juice. Ew. I think I'm onto something. What the heck? This is like weirdly good. Here's a little up close. I need some protein. I'm literally eating it by my hands. Can't forget about my pink water. My camera just died, so hi, I'm back. I just charged my camera. My stomach kind of hurts, to be honest. I think my body is just not used to like all this sugar. We're gonna finish up with the snacks because I definitely want to try them. I already opened them, but we have the sugar cookies, which are the best sugar cookies ever. Strawberry milkshake Pop-Tarts. Then we have, I don't really know how to say that, obviously. Oh, good. They smell really good. That's what it looks like. Okay. Now the strawberry milkshake Pop-Tarts. Never had these before. Oh, these look so pretty. Wow. Well, that's actually really good. It looks like that. Last but not least, the best cookies ever. This is what it looks like. That's what it looks like inside. I love these. I am done for the day. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I know it was a lot of pink. I hope you're not sick of it. I honestly am. Comment below, letting me know if you guys want me to do any other colors like black or white or green, blue, yeah, any color. Comment it below and thumbs up the color that you guys want the most in the comments. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me eat so much pink food. But yeah, I love you guys so much. Have a wonderful day and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys, I'm gonna take a nap now. Peace.